Good morning students, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to start our first lesson. Shall we start our lesson? Yes. Before we start the lesson, I want to tell something to you. Hope all have purchased the books. No, if not, please go and purchase the books. Without books, you are unable to read and write. Those who have purchased the books, please cover it and label your books. All of you open the textbook, page number 1. Lesson 1. All about Rani. What is the name of our lesson? First lesson. What is the name of first lesson? All about Rani. See, my dear children, our English textbook consists of 15 lessons. Out of these 15 lessons, we are going to learn first lesson for our FA1 examination. Okay. So, those who have textbook, please open the textbook, page number 1. The name of our lesson is All About Rani. Who is Rani? Who is Rani? Who is Rani? Your friend or my friend? No. She is a girl. She is a girl. She is a girl. What is name of that girl? Rani. What is the name of that girl? Rani. Now we are going to learn about this Rani. Where she studies, where she lives, what about her parents, what about her grandparents, all about her family. All we are living with our family. We are having brothers, we are having sisters. Yes or no? Our mother is housewife. Your mother is a housewife. Your father is a doctor. All will do some other work. Yes or no? Like this, we are going to learn about Rani and Rani's family. First, look in your book. This is Rani. She lives in Mumbai. She is 5 years old. She is in class 1. So, those who have no textbook, look at the board. This is Rani. She lives in Mumbai. She is 5 years old. She is in class 1. So, now which class subject I am teaching you? Class 1. What is my subject? English. So, which class are you studying? You are studying in class 1. So, this is Rani. Look in your textbook, all of you. Look at this picture. She is Rani. She is Rani. She lives in Mumbai. She is 5 years old. She is in class 1. So, Rani, her native place is Mumbai. She is 5 years old. She studies in class 1. Yes or no? How old are you? If someone asks you, what is your name? My name is Ravi. My name is Neha. So on, you will tell like that. Yes or no? Next, they will ask about your studies. In which class are you studying? What you will say? What you will answer? You will say that I am studying in first class, I am studying in second class. Whatever the class you are studying, you will be mentioning the class. Yes or no? Likewise, so this is Rani. She lives in Mumbai. She is 5 years old. She is in class 1. So this Rani, we are going to learn about Rani. The girl mentioned in this lesson is Rani. She is a girl. She lives in Mumbai. Her native place is Mumbai. She is 5 years old. She is in class 1. How old are you? Maybe 6, maybe 7, maybe 5. Yes or no? If someone asks you, how old are you? You will tell, I am 5 years old. I am 6 years or I am 7 years old. Yes or no? Likewise, this Rani lives in Mumbai. Her native place is Mumbai. She is 5 years old. She studies in class 1. All of you look in your book, all of you. Textbook page number 1. Read along with me. THIS, this. IS is. RAIN, Rani. SHE, she. LIVES, lives. IN, in. MUM, Mumbai. SHE, she. IS is. FIVE, 5. YEARS, years. OLD, old. She. SHE, she. IS is. IN, in. CLASS, class 1. So, now we have learned about Rani. Next we are going to learn about Rani. Who is Rani? She is a girl. She is a girl or boy? She is a girl. Where does Rani live? She lives in Mumbai. She lives in Mumbai. How old is Rani? Rani is 10 years old. Yes or no? No. Rani is only 5 years old. In which class Rani studies? She studies in class 1. Have you all understood? Yes. Now, second para. Look at the second para. This is Rani's mother. She works in an office. She likes to sing. Next, about Rani's mother. So, this is Rani's mother. She works in an office. She likes to sing. So, what about Rani's mother? She is a job holder. She works in office. Some of your mothers works in school. Some of your mother works in office, government office. Yes or no? Likewise, this Rani's mother, she works in an office. Some of your mother are teachers, doctors, lawyers, tailors, housewife, etc. Yes or no? Likewise, this Rani's mother, she works in an office. And what does Rani's mother like? She likes to sing. Her habit is she likes singing. Yes or no? Do you like singing? No. Then you will like only what? Studying? No. You will play without reading and writing. Yes or no? No. You have to study, my dear children. What about Rani's mother? She works. Where does Rani's mother work? She works in an office. What does her mother like to do? She likes to sing. Understood, all of you? Understood? What is the name of the lesson? All about Rani. Who is Rani? Rani, she is a girl. Where does Rani live? She lives in Mumbai. Next, how old is Rani? Rani is only 5 years old. Rani is only 5 years old. In which class? In which class do Rani studies? She studies in class 1. Then, what about Rani's mother? What about Rani's mother? Rani's mother is a housewife, no? No? Then, Rani's mother is a doctor. Rani's mother is a teacher. No, she works in an office. Very good. She works in an office. What does Rani's mother like to do? She likes to play cricket. No? She likes to sing. She likes to sing. So, all of you underline these hard words. Rani, Mumbai, years, class. Practice these hard words. Note down homework, all of you. Practice given words 2 times and post to your concerned class teacher. That's all for today. Thank you.